In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present MindNode step by step. We'll start inside MindNode with your mind map open. Take a moment to make sure the parts you want to present are visible and legible at your current zoom level, because what you see here will guide what your audience sees later. Clear spacing, readable node sizes, and a tidy layout will make the next steps much smoother. When you're ready, export the map so you can use it in a slide deck. Go to Share, then Export. You'll be prompted to choose a format. Pick PDF if you want crisp scaling and the option to keep text sharp at any size. PDF is great when you'll be zooming in during the presentation. Choose PNG or another image format if you prefer a straightforward picture that's easy to drop into slides. For images, select a high resolution so details remain clear on projectors. If the export dialog offers background or scaling options, choose a light, neutral background and a scale that preserves readability without bloating file size. Either way, confirm the export, give the file a clear name, and save it somewhere easy to find. Next, open that exported file in a presentation app. Keynote is a solid choice on Apple devices, Google Slides works well in a browser, and PowerPoint is widely used on desktop. Create a new presentation and bring in your exported map. Set your slide size to match the screen you'll present on, typically 16:9 to avoid letterboxing. With a PDF, you can insert it as a single object. With an image, place it on a blank slide and scale it to fit while keeping margins for titles or notes. Avoid stretching the map disproportionately so everything stays sharp. Now build the slides that tell your story. Aim for one section of the mind map per slide so your audience can focus. Start with an overview slide that shows the whole map, then duplicate the slide and adjust the view to highlight just one branch. Repeat for each major section. If your app supports it, use zoom or shape focus effects to smoothly move from the overview into each branch. Keep transitions purposeful, keep titles consistent, and make sure any labels are large enough to read from the back of the room. As you assemble the deck, add text or presenter notes to guide what you'll say. Brief labels on slides can anchor key points, while detailed cues belong in the speaker notes area, where only you will see them during the presentation. Time your talking points to the pace of your zooms, pausing briefly after each focus change so viewers can reorient. This turns your static MindNode map into a versatile slide deck you can present to others. Save your presentation, run through it once to check pacing and readability, and you're ready to share your ideas with clarity and confidence.